So Ghana is set to potentially engage in a project that is very commendable to the agricultural sector. This is the announcement of a massive tomato and cashew processing factory in the Bono region. This necessary project has been in the works and has recently been brought to the limelight by former President John Dramani Mahama. The project will foster economic growth in the region and Ghana's agricultural sector at large. So stick with me till the end as we delve into the details of this proposal and the immense impact it could hold for the people of Ghana and beyond. But before we begin, as always, I would implore you to like this video so as to inform more people about the project, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't for more riveting videos on Ghana's developmental journey. Let's get right into the content at hand. The announcement of the Bono region processing factory, that is a tomato factory and an ultra-modern cashew factory right beside it, signifies a potential new era in Ghana's agricultural landscape, promising to transform the country's food processing sector if realized. With strategic vision, the proposed state-of-the-art facility could elevate Ghana's status as a key agricultural hub in West Africa, and it was former President John Dramani Mahama who in his recent manifesto touched on this ambitious project, highlighting its potential as a project which has long been ignored. The massive project, if implemented, would be a testament to Ghana's commitment to the agricultural development not only of the Bono region, but the entire country. The proposed processing factories are envisioned to be comprehensive facilities encompassing modern processing equipment, storage units and packaging plants for both tomatoes and cashew. The expected infrastructure for these facilities, as outlined, include an advanced processing line capable of producing tomato paste, ketchup and canned tomatoes, a state-of-the-art cashew processing unit for roasting, shelling and packaging, massive large-scale cold store facilities to reduce post-harvest losses, as well as quality control laboratories to ensure product safety and consistency, modern packaging plants to meet international standards, wastewater treatment plants to ensure environmental sustainability, and training centers for skill development in food processing technologies. This integrated approach will enable Ghana to process raw agricultural products, create value-added products as well, and facilitate the distribution of these products both domestically and internationally. The project, if realized, is expected to be completed in phases over the next 4 years, with the first phase potentially operational by 2028. Additionally, plans include developing efficient transportation networks, connecting the factories to major ports, enhancing Ghana's capacity to export processed goods, and expanding its reach in the global food market. The benefits of realizing this project could be far-reaching. The factories could potentially create thousands of direct and indirect jobs, boosting employment in the region. The value addition to the agricultural products could significantly increase export revenues and contribute to GDP growth. The farmers also would feel empowered, guaranteeing a market for tomatoes and cashews, which could lead to improved incomes and livelihoods for local farmers, reducing post-harvest losses as well, which could minimize waste in the agricultural value chain. If you like informative content like this, be sure to like this video to inform more people, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't, to be abreast with the current happenings right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.